If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To perform almost any task on a layer, you must first select it. You can click a layer in the Layers panel to select it. After selecting a layer, changes you make will only affect the selected layer, protecting the content of the other layers. However, this can also be a source of aggravation for new users. If you are trying to make changes to an image and find that the changes are not being correctly applied, check to make sure you have the correct layer selected. This is easy to forget when learning how to use layers. Be sure to double-check your layer selection before making a change in a layered image file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.